Join me as I discovered the beautiful Dambulla Cave Temples. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and something you cannot miss in Sri Lanka. And I've got a feeling it could be another hike. Lots of very steep steps already. I've come at 7:30 in the morning to avoid the heat that like I've been in the last few days, but it's still very hot. On the way, there's this guy who is selling, show some of the stuff that you were selling and that we've just bought. We've got a cobra, so get a souvenir, a Sri Lankan souvenir to take back home. And what about some of these other things, some very old artifacts? What's your name, sir?
Lal.
Lal. Very nice to meet you.
Okay,
thank you for the cobra.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day, sir. Thank you.
Sir.
This place is a very sacred, very holy site for Sri Lankans, dating back over 2,000 years. It's always been a bit of a pilgrimage spot, and even to this day it's actually an active monastery, so there's a lot of people bringing offerings, praying. So I won't be getting loads and loads of content inside there, be respectful to people's religions. So there's 5 main caves that we're going to go explore now, and something like over 150 statues, so massive place. Let's go. Like I said, you have to be respectful as well while you're here, so I'm not getting loads and loads of footage inside the caves. Certainly you shouldn't be taking any selfies. One thing to notice is that you shouldn't be showing your back to the Buddha, so bear that in mind. But I've never seen anything like this in terms of within a cave. The sheer size of it, the intricate details, it's amazing. And the Buddha statues that are all portraying and showing the history, the life and the teachings of Buddha are amazing. It's just something that you have to come and witness yourself. I was really impressed by these caves and these temples. I wasn't expecting too much before I came, didn't look into it too much, but I was staying in Dambulla and it was one of those that it was easy to do on my way to Ella, but I'm so glad that I did, and I really think that you guys need to add this to your list too. More monkeys on the way out. This is quite a steep and quite a long walk down. We must have been super high up. Didn't quite realise of them steps, but you do on this ramp coming down. You're pretty much just running down the back of a rock, which is good fun unless you're in slides. And I'm not really sure if I am going in the right direction, but we'll soon figure it out. Again, my friend, my driver Sampath brought me here, as he has taken me everywhere in Sri Lanka. So again, give him a shout if you're in this area. Really nice guy. And it makes sense to have someone that's going to drive you around. You can get one-way taxis, but you might end up stuck. You might get no signal. That you might have issues. You might not be able to actually get a pick-me or an Uber in the area you are. So having someone with you all day to take you in between places is a perfect solution. But yeah, not much going on here. Small town. Obviously you're coming to do the sights and things. Hello brother.
Hello,
I'm gonna go check out one restaurant now just to see what it's like, so I'm not eating there in my hotel every night. Let's have a look.